talking body. You got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on and on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start by using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. Personally, I like to use this for my dark spots. So I'm just gonna get that all over. I'm just going to use a foundation brush to blend that all over my face. Next, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the color Mocha. So after hearing so many good things about it, I definitely had to give it a try. I would say this foundation gives a light to medium coverage. So if you're looking to get a full coverage, definitely have to add a lot of layer to go. So I'm adding another layer. I still feel like I'm not getting the full coverage that I want. Next, I'm using my favorite concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe. Next, I'm using the NYC Translucent Setting Powder to set everything under my eyes. And I'm also going to take it a little bit in the corner around my nose as well, which tends to get a little bit oily that way, to kind of set it a little bit as well.
Love, give me love. Anything you want, I'll give it up.
I'm gonna go ahead and add the setting powder on my eyebrows as well. I do tend to get a little oily there. I'm going to conceal my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer before putting on my eyeshadow. I'm going to start by using a reddish pink color on my crease, going a little bit down on my lids as well, but not too far down. Next, I'm using the NYX Ultra Pearl Mania in the color Mink. I'm just using some rose water on it, that way it can set a little bit better. So now that I'm all done with the gold, I'm just blending it out with that same reddish pink color that I used earlier. Guys, how good does my wing liner look? I feel like I am getting so much better. Anyways, going to add some mascara before adding on my eyelashes. Guys, don't mind my hair. I have no idea what's going on with it here. So before adding my lashes, I like to do my eyeliner as well, and I'm using the Lancome in the color black. Going back to add a little bit more concealer, and this time I'm using the Sephora Bright Future Gel. As always, I'm using the e.l.f. setting powder in the color Dark to help set my entire face. This really does help my makeup last longer throughout the day. On to one of my favorite parts. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow, I think in the color Blossom Glow. I love this color. Next, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper. I really don't know what it is with this lip liner, but honestly, I feel like the more I use it, the more I'm starting to dislike it. And for my lip gloss, I'm using the Lorac in the color CO. So I decided to go back, but this time with the NYX lip liner in the color Brown. I just felt like my lip was looking a little bit too rosy for my liking. And last but not least, I'm using the Rose Water Setting Spray to set everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!